welcome to our channel. Jangan lupa subscribe guys. Kita akan ini buat bolu kukus coklat. Nah, bahan pertama yang kita butuhkan adalah tepung roti 12 sendok makan, Cocholatos bubuk guys 2 bungkus saja, ada gula 8 sendok makan, air perasan jeruk nipis 2 sendok makan, soda kita pakai setengah sendok teh, air panas kita gunakan 10 sendok makan, minyak kita gunakan 7 sendok makan aja. Oke, sekarang kita akan mulai memasaknya.
Day and night, whoa. Boy, they don't know nothing, they hating cause I'm into you. If I had $1 for each time they say things that ain't true, I'd be a billionaire, and I'm Perry on a Paris, rich in the sense of value. Run away, let's just run away now. Only when I'm with you, colors they show through. Trust I speak the truth. Darling, I get weak when you put your lips on my lips. When you're touching like this, no, they don't ever lie.